Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Welcome for another daily episode, Stock a Day. Today we are going to explore the exciting prospects for Sofi as 2025 is just around the corner. Sofi showcasing remarkable growth potential fueled by strategic financial initiatives and adventurous political shifts. With outstanding quarterly performance and rising consumer popularity, Sofi is establishing itself as a significant force in the financial industry. So, like, subscribe, and let's talk Sofi. I'm recording this video before Sofi's earning call, Tuesday morning, November 12. So, pay attention when you watch this video. Sofi is already showing strong potential. Investing in Sofi is like riding a rocket that's going up. So let's dive into Sofi's and see what's happening. It's no secret that Trump has won the election, and this is good news for Sofi. The CEO of Sofi hinted and saying they would do better under Republican-led government. This will help Sofi as Trump directs financial policies. Before the quarterly reports, Sofi had a $2 billion deal and credit launch. The quarterly results were best ever for Sofi, and the stock has been rising since. People have been predicting it will go from 8 to 10, from 10 to 12, and now it's around 13.30. In my opinion, it won't take long before reaching 15 and above. Sofi might not stop rising. It could hit 13, drop to 11, rise back to 12.30, and stabilize around 13. Sofi is building momentum and has everything it needs to keep going up. There's no doubt Sofi will reach $20, maybe even 30 by summer of 2025. With more quarterly reports coming, Sofi could be 45 to $50 stock. The economy might improve and rate cuts are expected. Jerome Powell's plans might change with Trump in power. Powell and Trump don't get along. It's no secret. So Powell might step down or be fired. This won't harm Sofi as rate cuts are still expected. Sofi is growing in revenue and customers, becoming very popular. So if you invest in Sofi now, it could be worth $150 per share in 5 years. Younger people will need loans, bringing more money to Sofi. Sofi could become a major player in the financial system due to its innovation. Sofi is the fastest growing bank under $20 and it's expected to go higher. The evidence is clear. Quarterly results and deals show Sofi's potential. Rate cuts will continue even if Powell leaves. Sofi should be a top choice in your portfolio for 2025. It's a strong investment with consistent growth. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's hit Sofi's chart. Be advised that this video is recorded November 11 before Sofi's earnings on November 12 in the morning before market opens. Now we have Sofi on the daily, Sofi on the weekly. Previous week, 17.84% to the upside on Sofi and still have a lot to give. On the daily, as long as we are above the 1130, we are going up 14, 20, 15, 72 to the upside. On the weekly, we are heading north. And as long as the market will like Sofi's earnings, and it all comes down how the market will react to Sofi's numbers, Sofi is going all the way to this upper red trend line, breaking above it, and we will see 27 and 29 before summer of 2025. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, educational, please hit the like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. I assure you, you will find what you're looking for. Until the next video, stay safe.